Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload high quality HD photos to WhatsApp status without losing its quality. Just want to start this video by saying that I haven't fully uncovered the truth about WhatsApp image compression, but found some tricks to get best out of WhatsApp image compression. So today I'm going to share them with you. So for this, I'm going to open my WhatsApp application. So the easiest method is that you go to some random chat and then go to the gallery and select a photo you want to send or you want to put your status on. Like in my case, I'm going for this one. Tap on this send button, and now the simplest method is you just have to tap and hold on it and tap on this share icon, and now you can just tap on this my status, tap on this next, and your status will be uploaded like this. Now you can see this is the quality. So this is the bad quality. Like you can see, there is no good pixels. So now what you have to do is you just have to tap on this delete, and you also have to delete this photo in this chat like this. So I have tried uploading with WhatsApp web and then sharing the image to status, but that won't work. In caps the image at 1280 pixel, but if you upload an image from your phone to a WhatsApp, it doesn't cap at 1 to 80 pixel. So uploading through WhatsApp web doesn't give a high quality. Also, I have tried to compressing softwares and apps, but that doesn't then sharing to status substantial quality difference compared to uploading the image to chat then sharing to status. So the final trick they may give you a really nice quality image is first upload the picture that you want to post the status to Instagram. Like if I go to my Instagram, so before you post, you just have to go for these three bars in the upper right corner, click on settings, now go for privacy, and if you go for story, you just have to make sure that this option save to gallery is toggle on. Now post the image as an story like this one, and now it's being posted on my story. And now after posting, just quickly delete it. What this does is it will save the story to your phone, and we are gonna upload that story image as a WhatsApp status. That should give you the best possible results from my testing. So now if I go to my status and now if I upload this story, this will be much better, and I feel like I have only scratched the surface of this. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.